Here's a quick guide on how to contact Verizon and get help from their official support team through phone or live chat, available 24/7. Go to the Verizon website, www.verizon.com, then click on Contact Us in the top menu. Or scan the code shown on the screen to open the Verizon contact page. You'll also find the link in the video description and pinned comment. At the top of the page, you'll see options like Chat with Us and Schedule a Call. Click on Start Chat, choose your issue, and begin chatting. You may need to sign in to verify your account before continuing. If you're busy, you can schedule a call instead. Just sign in, verify your details, and pick a time that works for you. You can also find detailed phone numbers along with working hours for different Verizon departments, like account and billing, technical support, and sales for mobile, 5G Home Internet, and LTE Home Internet. For Fios support, check the phone numbers listed under Account and Billing and Technical Support. Under More Services, you'll also find contact numbers for prepaid and business support. That's it. If you need any help, feel free to leave your feedback or questions in the comments.